Hi, I'm Owen Davey and I'm a freelance illustrator. I work in everything from editorial to apps, working with clients including Facebook, Google and the multi-award-winning app 2Dots. I also produce picture books that have been published all around the world. I had the pleasure of being awarded Best of Show in the 3x3 professional show in 2019. Nature definitely feeds into my work. It's interesting and much more bizarre than we believe. It's beautiful, grotesque, resilient and fragile all at the same time. Character design will accompany me on this journey. I will look at how to capture the essence of your subject, including clothing, hairstyles and how bodies move. I'm known for my geometric vector illustrations and my limited but strong colour palette. For this, digital illustration is my great ally. It's incredibly versatile and very easy to make changes based on client feedback. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to make stunning digital illustrations using Photoshop and Illustrator. For the final project, you will build from the origins of an idea through to a remarkable digital artwork. We will start with the materials and programs we will use. Then I will guide you through how to research to enrich the artwork. I will show you some digital tools in Photoshop and show you how to customize the workstation. We will explore color palettes, thumbnails and the principles of stylization. Then we will clean the drawings up digitally and get started on our final composition. We will produce a complex shape using vectors in Photoshop and I will show you how to use live corners in Illustrator. In the next step, I will demonstrate how to create characters. There will be time to review the image and make some tweaks. After that, I will guide you through adding texture using Photoshop. Then we will save the illustration and scale it up. Lastly, I will talk about how to improve as an illustrator and share your work with the world. By the end of this course, you'll know how to bring your digital illustrations to life in a short space of time. Some knowledge of Photoshop and Illustrator would definitely be useful, and it's a plus if you have some drawing skills. Follow along with me to create compositions that are full of character, fun, and beautifully crafted colour palettes.